Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the implementation of inheritance. So here we are supposed to make a parent class named person, and in it we are going to enter all the members, and here we have made two which are name and address, which are of data type string, and we have made it a private access type. So here we are going to call a normal method. So here we have included a lot of methods which include the setters and getters of getting address, and setter getters for getting name, and also we have made a method for getting the name and address of a person. So this is the parent class person. So after that we have made another one to get two strings, so whatever name and address is there would be printed. So after that we have made a child class which is student, and we have written it like class student extends person, means it is the child class. The student is the child class of the class person. So in it we have made its own attributes which are program, other than which is different from the person, from the class person. So we have made a method called get program, so it would return the program. The setter and getter for getting the program differ individually. The year getting year, and setters and getters for getting the value of year, and also the public void set fee. So these are the setters and getters for getting the value of fee. So here we have made another method where the detail of the student will be given along with the whatever attributes which were mentioned in the class person, the parent class. So here string and string A belongs to the name and address, which are being the attributes of the person, and along with the program, the year and the fee. So since the attributes of the person are not mentioned in the class, in this class which is student, so we are going to call those attributes. We are going to call those attributes with the keyword super. So including super and the argument, we can just straight away call that method which is present in the parent class. So with this we can get the total detail of the student. So same to same again, we have made a method to two strings, so the total record will get. So another, last but not the least, we have made another child class which would be staff extends person. So here we have made string school, and there is double pay. So these are the two types of attributes: pay, which is of type double, and the string which is of school. So we are going to get getter and setter for school, for the name of the school and the pay. So we have made another method where the same thing has been done. Whatever attributes which are not mentioned in this class and are supposed to be called from the person class, which is the parent class, we are going to call it with the super keyword and the attributes which have been assigned, and of course the current attributes which are present in the staff would be also called. So we have made another method two strings, so the total detail of the staff would be get. So this is one class. So we are going to go to the main class. Here in the main class we have made two objects. One is of person A, of new person, and another one would be student B, which is of another student, and staff C would be a new staff. So A, B, C are the objects of person, student and staff respectively. So here we are going to make, since we have made a two string method, so we can call it Like after making the object, we can call for the person toString. We can call the toString method Anil. We'll put the strings as Anil and Kolkata. For the student, we can give the detail of the name of the student, the address, and the department, the year, and the fees. Similarly, for in case of staff, we can put the name and address, which would be called with the help of the super keyword, the university or the school, and the pay. So we are going to print out A, which is the person toString, and similarly B and C for the student and staff class toString method calling. So with this, we will be getting these following things. And another thing we can do is that after getting it, we can also use the setter and getter methods to individually set any other values, and then again print it out to get desired results. So we are going to run it once. So we can see the first one, A, of object A, it has been printing Anil and Kolkata. Person means it has been called from the class person. So name Anil and address Kolkata. So the second one would be student B. So we have made an object for student, and here we have called a toString method from the class child class student, and here we have used the super keyword in order to get the attributes of the person's name and address, Jimmy, and address would be Mumbai, and the remaining things program like information technology, year, tune, fees. And similarly, same case in case of staff, the super keyword has been used to call the person's name and the address, name Mike, address Bangalore. So this has been super used by the super, and the remaining attributes which have been assigned to the staff class, we have got it, which are school and the payment. And again, if we want to set any name, we have set name and its address. So we can see there's a difference here. We have made it with small letters. Here's Anil would be capital, and here is small. Then again we have printed out the A, the first object. So here we can see the difference. It has been changed to small. So it has given those values which have been set in the recently in the latter stage. So with this we can see the implementation of it. So with this, I'm going to conclude my video. So thank you for watching.